Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. These days one of the most spoken topics in the world is all about the movie, Oppenheimer, directed by Christopher Nolan. So, who is this Oppenheimer? It's time to find out. Once upon a time, in the realms of history, the world was abuzz with tales of a remarkable man named J. Robert Oppenheimer. Oh! What an extraordinary fellow he was. Born on April 22, 1904, in New York City, he grew up with a curious mind, always seeking the secrets of the universe. As a young lad, Oppenheimer's love for knowledge shone like a beacon. He delved into literature, science, and philosophy, devouring every book he could find. With a sparkle in his eye, he enrolled at Harvard University, where he explored the mysteries of physics, unraveled the enigma of quantum mechanics, and danced with atoms in the vast ballroom of the cosmos. In the midst of his academic pursuits, Oppenheimer's intellect was noticed by esteemed scholars, and they eagerly embraced him into their fold. A fellowship at the University of Cambridge beckoned, where he continued his scholarly waltz, entangled in the elegance of theoretical physics. But lo and behold, the world was about to embark on a perilous journey. Dark clouds of war loomed over the horizon, casting shadows upon the innocence of humanity. It was the Second World War, and the foes were none other than destructive forces of science and technology. Faced with the adversary's wicked intentions, the Allied nations sought a champion to confront this dreadful menace. And there, in a moment of destiny, J. Robert Oppenheimer emerged as the chosen one. He was summoned to lead the legendary Manhattan Project, a quest to harness the power of the atom for the sake of peace. With a heavy heart, for he knew the double-edged sword he wielded, Oppenheimer accepted the call. With tireless determination, he assembled a troupe of brilliant scientists, each one a luminary in their own right. Together, they danced through the complexities of nuclear physics, racing against time to craft the weapon that could alter the course of history. But, dear readers, Oppenheimer's conscience was not at ease. The gravity of his creation weighed heavily upon him, and he knew that this newfound power could bring both salvation and destruction. As the project neared its climax, he grappled with the moral quandary that enveloped his soul. Upon witnessing the first successful test of the atomic bomb on July 16, 1945, Oppenheimer's heart sank. He quoted verses from ancient scriptures, and his mind echoed with the words, "Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds." When the war eventually drew to a close, and the world saw the devastating impact of these newfound powers, Oppenheimer's heart ached with remorse. He became an advocate for peace and used his influence to prevent the proliferation of nuclear weapons. After the conclusion of the Second World War, Oppenheimer continued to make significant strides in the scientific realm. He held a prestigious position at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, where his intellect continued to shine like a guiding star in the firmament of academia. The latter part of Oppenheimer's life was spent as the director of the Institute for Advanced Study, where he nurtured young minds and fostered the growth of scientific inquiry. His legacy extended beyond his own contributions, as he inspired future generations of physicists and thinkers to explore the mysteries of the universe. J. Robert Oppenheimer breathed his last on February 18, 1967, leaving behind a legacy that remains woven into the fabric of history. He will forever be remembered as the brilliant scientist who danced with the cosmos and the visionary who wrestled with the moral implications of scientific discovery. His journey was a testament to the complexities of the human spirit, the pursuit of knowledge, and the burden of responsibility that comes with wielding great power. And so, the world speaks of J. Robert Oppenheimer, a man whose life story weaves a tapestry of brilliance, conscience, and the enduring quest for understanding the wonders of the universe.